Dude, what are you doing? You got a bike check today.
Alright.
As you can see, me and my bike have a very strong connection. I'm going to tell you what I ride today. Alright, we're going to start off with the frame. We got a 21-inch Fit Dugan Signature, because I ride signature parts. Just waiting on my signature to drop, stay tuned. We got the Primo Stevie Churchill headset, because that's my dad and I like to be like him. We got Mark Burnett's signature Shadow Odin top load stem, because I only ride top load, because if you're riding front load, what are you doing? We got Shadow Local bars, 10-inch rise by 28 wide. If you're not riding 10 inches, what are you doing, guys? Get on the 10-inch trend. Shadow Voltus forks, 25 offset. They're okay. We got a Demolition Momentum 2.4. We got an Odyssey Hazard Light laced to an Odyssey Quartet with Shadow Conspiracy spokes, or purple. I only ride colored spoke because I'm a man. 4-cross. If you're not riding 4-cross, stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys how to lace a 4-cross. We got the Primo binary plastic pegs. They're pretty great. They slide great. Stevie rides for them. I ride for them. We got the limited edition Duo Can't See pedals. We got Shadow Noctis cranks. Shout out to Seth Kimbrough. I don't even know if he still rides anymore, but if he does, you're old, so you're doing good. I got a Sabrosa Magnum 27 tooth sprocket, because I only ride 27 tooth, and I only support Magnums. I got the Shadow Interlock Supreme chain. It's like a chainsaw chain. I recommend it. If you guys want it, it's got a lifetime warranty. Go hit that up. I got another Odyssey Hazard Light. Wow, that is dirty. Gonna ignore that. Laced to an Odyssey Clutch free toaster with the Clutch alloy hub guard upgrade, because you can't ride the plastic one, it rips. We got the Primo plastic pegs in the back as well, because 4 pegs gang. Shout out to Brandon Megan. And another Demolition Momentum tire in 2.4. I forgot my seat. This is where I put my ass. It's a Shadow Penumbra seat. It's pretty comfy. Not the softest, but not the hardest. It's a nice in between. I recommend it. And I got a Fit seat post. Best ass upgrade you'll ever have. So there you have it. There's me and my girlfriend check. We're gonna go ahead and get out of here. We're gonna go get some dinner or something. Stay tuned and see what we post next.